It is time to pack. What's up, Trencher? What's up, Trencher Nation? Oh, I haven't said that in so long. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a pack with me video. I'm supposed to be going to the beach, so you're gonna pack with me. I'm not even gonna make this intro too long. Let's go ahead and get this started. I have a list of all of the stuff that I need to pack. So I'm gonna be like checking this stuff off as I go to get some matcha. I didn't mix all of it. Now let's pack for real. First, I think I'm going to pack like all of my outfits first. I have an idea of like what I want to wear. It's supposed to be raining like all weekend. It's still gonna be hot, but like it's just gonna be raining like later in the day. We're gonna make this work. I'm trying to like make like summery outfits. So let's start off with some tops. So these are like some of my favorite tops that I recently bought, and I'm just like gonna figure out something to wear. I'm not even gonna lie, I literally wear this shirt like so much. Ever since I got it, I wear it like so much. So I'm probably not gonna bring this actually, because I wear that shirt so much. We're leaving tomorrow, which is Friday, August the 8th, and we're leaving Sunday. So we're only staying for 3 days. We're staying for the weekend. I have these two tube tops that I've never worn. I mean, I worn the yellow one, but like I never worn it out of the house. I'm just not like a tube top girly. Like, I don't know. It just gives beach, you know? Like, it just gives, oh, I'm gonna go on the beach and I'm gonna go on the beach. The only thing about this, I don't really like, I don't know, like it keeps like sliding down, you know, and I don't want to have to keep like pulling it up throughout the day. That's the only thing about this top. It's actually my sister's, but she gave it to me. I don't know what I will wear with this. I'm looking at this, it's giving no. I'm trying to be like more colorful. That's the vibe I'm going for, like colorful outfits. So maybe I wore this top. I got so many compliments. Everybody was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. It really is, like, it's so cute. But the only thing, the sleeves are like loose. I've never worn this. I ordered this from Fashion Nova, and oh my gosh, I'm acting like y'all could feel it, but like the material was soft and so cute. I'm not wearing those. That was quick. See, first top, second top. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but like that actually scared me. This pink top, those are the winners. So now I just gotta figure out what bottoms I'm gonna wear with it. I'm gonna pick out a few bottoms that I like and then break it down like what I did with the shirts, because that just makes it easier for myself. I don't know if I want to wear jeans because like that's not the look I'm really going for, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm going for 3 days and I picked out all of that. I'm so indecisive when it comes to like what to wear. Oh my gosh, how am I about to do this? How? Let me tell y'all the shoes I'm wearing. So I'm bringing my Adidas Sambas. I'm bringing the white ones, and I'm going to bring my black sandals, and I have some white sandals. Actually, let me show y'all. My feet are small, not too much. Okay, so I have these, like, they give like my feet are small. Like, I haven't worn these shoes since like 2022. My sister has my Sambas. These Nike ones, these Nike like athletic shorts, these like shorts as well. I have other like black shorts, but they're like way too small for me. These bottoms and these shoes, cute. Athletic shorts, it will give like, oh, I'm about to go jog. No. Outfit number 1, white long maxi skirt, another white skirt. This is just like a, I don't know what to call it. They're kind of see-through, and I don't know if I really want to wear these out. These blue bottoms. I've actually paired these two together before, so it's actually cute to me. I like mixing up colors, so that's why I think this is cute. Outfit number 2. Time for the last one. Oh my gosh, this is the worst time for them to cut grass. I'll be doing nothing. Oh, you're ruining my video. They were cutting grass this morning. Like, as soon as I wake up, I hear That's cute, and I'm going to convince myself that it's cute, and I'm going to wear it. So because I have other stuff to do, so I can't be trying to figure out outfits for like an hour. This is what the last outfit is. Can't forget my swim stuff. Shein swim. I have all of my outfits. I'm going to pick out accessories. I almost forgot my pajamas. What? Dude. Hello Kitty Valentine's Day pajamas. I love Hello Kitty, y'all. Like, that's my girl. Hello Kitty and Dora. Then I'm gonna bring this just plain white shirt, hoodie, a pair of shorts in case it gets hot and I want to wear shorts. A pile of everything. I'm going to fold it up and put it in the suitcase, but I'm trying to make sure I get everything done, and then I'm gonna pack up the bags. I have to pack my undergarments and stuff like that, so you not have to see that, but I'm definitely gonna pack that, obviously. I have to pack my accessories, which is like my beach bag, my purse, my earrings, my necklaces, my bracelets, stuff like that. So y'all, I'm gonna put my code on the screen. Use my discount code if you want money off of your order. Just had to put that in there. Okay, I have a belt for the skirt, and I'm gonna bring it. Let me get it. Okay, so this is the belt I'm bringing for the white maxi skirt, and I'm gonna like wrap it. You can kind of see this. So I love silver. These are my everyday bracelets. Like, I wear them all the time. Put them in here, and also I'm bringing this one, obviously. So all of my accessories are here. Okay, it's 1:26, guys. I don't even know what time I started. I like forgot. So obviously body wash, toothpaste, sunscreen, hair products, face wash, floss, perfume, lotion, deodorant, makeup remover. Let's get to work, y'all. I'm gonna bring my lovely Hello Kitty bag, and okay, whoa, these two. Refilled my conditioner for my hair because I'm wearing my hair like this, obviously, and I refilled my body wash. So yeah, I'm gonna put this there. Also gonna bring this mini lotion. Yeah, I might bring these two. I love a good mix. So this is the MCO Beauty #2 Salted Caramel Pistachio. And then I'm gonna bring in this Dewy Dragon Fruit Nectar body mist. My lord. I'm going to actually come back to y'all when I'm getting like everything situated and packed up. So yeah, I don't want to make this too long. So I'll come back to y'all when this is all packed, like when I got everything laid out. Okay, y'all, so it's 2:37 and my camera equipment stuff, because I need to get all of that together. I'll just bring this and then like carry it with me. Tripod, need that, but oh, y'all saw that? This, obviously my camera charger. Break that up in white. I'm gonna put this, my Apple Watch charger in here too. The cute tote bag that I'm bringing. It doesn't like match with my outfit, just with this one a little bit. Umbrella. I'm just laying out everything on the bed now. Shoes literally like make me laugh, bro. So I'm gonna bring these shoes, my socks. I need to get all my undergarments, socks, all of that together too. So that's like really easy. But time to pack this up in the suitcase. Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Y'all ready? Cause I'm not. I actually realized I have to take this outfit out because I'm wearing this outfit like on the way to the beach. So aesthetic, right? It looks crazy, but now I have to actually like get it closed and fix it up for real. So I am all done. Okay guys, so that's the end of this pack with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, make sure you stay tuned for my beach vlog coming out soon. It's gonna be very fun and lit. Lit? Who says lit? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my beach vlog. Bye guys.